Hey folks, welcome to my channel number pen. So there we have the problem on our screen. Integrate the following with respect to x. And we have cosecant of 5x plus 3 times cot 5x plus 3, right? So what have we been given when we've been told to integrate? What we've been given is dy by dx, right? So let's write that down. My dy by dx equal to cosecant of 5x plus 3 into cot of 5x plus 3, right? I have been asked to find y, and how do I represent my y? I use the integral symbol to represent my y. So my y is integral of cosecant 5x plus 3 times cot 5x plus 3 dx, right? So So the way to solve this problem is look at what is that substitution that we can make in order to reduce y to a much simpler expression, right? So here in this particular case, the substitution that I can make is t equals 5x plus 3, right? Which means I differentiate on either side. I get dt equals 5 times dx, which means my dx equals dt by 5, right? Now I go back to my y expression. I write my y in terms of t, right? And when I do that, I know that my 5x plus 3 is t because of the substitution I made just now. So I get cosecant of t into cot of t times my dx becomes dt by 5, right? So what's that equal to? I pull out my 1 by 5 and I've got integral of cosecant t cot t dt. And what is that? This is something which I'm quite familiar with from first principles, right? What is my d by dx of cosecant x? My d by dx of cosecant x is minus of cosecant x cot x, right? And I multiply by a minus on either side, I get plus cosecant x cot x, right? And like I mentioned in my earlier videos, uh, while a particular function will have one derivative, it can have many antiderivative because I know that my d by dx of a constant is always 0. Therefore, integral of cosecant x cot x can have many antiderivatives, all of them differentiated by an arbitrary constant, right? Because my d by dx of c, which is an arbitrary constant, is 0, right? So I go back to my y, and I have the answer with me. My integral of cosecant t cot t dt is nothing but minus cosecant t plus c, right? I still have my 1 by 5, so please do not forget that. 1 by 5 times minus cosecant t becomes minus 1 by 5 times cosecant t plus c, right? I know that my final answer has to be in terms of x, right? I cannot leave it uh, in I cannot leave it in with t. So let me replace my t with a 5x plus 3, right? So that's the answer for my question. Minus 1 by 5 times cosecant of 5x plus 3 plus constant c, right? Let's highlight our final answer in pink. There we are. I hope you found my content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.